y'all. So today, we're gonna be hauling another load. So, I can't remember if I recorded or not, but I got a new truck. It is a kenworth. This thing will pull. Done a bunch of work to it though. I've had it for about maybe a month. Done a bunch of work to it. It was weak. Like with the big trailers about this size. Now it's just pulling it like it's nothing. Now it's pulling it like it ain't behind me. But better not pull out. We have got a 12-hour drive. So we've got a good amount. So the trailer I was pulling had like 3 Peterbilts on the back of it. So like 3 Peterbilts, I was bringing it to where I just got that trailer, where I just got this trailer that I'm pulling. I got it there, and I dropped that trailer off, and then I got this trailer I'm pulling right now. What in the world? Headlight violation. What? That's a thing? Well, let me turn my headlights on. Since you can get fined $500 for having your headlights off. That is the weirdest thing I've ever heard. So this engine, this is actually my first trailer that I've been pulling with this engine. I had the old engine in the while I was pulling that trailer with the 3 Peterbilts behind it. So it was a struggle. This truck was pulling as hard as it could. Not even joking. Like it was full power, and it still was barely pulling it. Go, bro, dude! Bro just ran me off the side of the road. That's crazy. Doug literally just ran me off the side of the road. So this truck goes through gears like super fast. But 16th gear, it'll pull. I mean, it's in 16th gear right now. It's pulling hard. This same transmission is in my Peterbilt, I think. No, it has 13 gears. 13 gears. So it ain't the same. I'm pretty sure this has more horsepower that the Peterbilt does. I'm pretty sure. I ain't done a bunch of work to it. Oh, what in the world? They had never. Oh my gosh. I just got a ticket. I'm just cruising. Oh wow, I am going like 15 over though. Let me notch it down a little bit. I was trying to try out this new engine that's in this. Wow. Well, I see why you did give me a ticket. So my last load that I did was like, I think 12 hours. So the same as this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! What is this? in, let me in. Oh, they got in a wreck. That ain't good. They need to put their hazards on. 'Cause I thought they would keep driving, but they didn't. But I'm gonna keep driving and try to cover some ground. Hopefully, it won't take too long. Hopefully, it'll fly by. Maybe. It probably won't though. Alright, y'all. So I am out of fuel right now. There's a gas station about a mile up. No, probably not even that far. I'm going 9 miles an hour. I ain't gonna make it. Daggone. Oh my gosh, I was so close, dude. Oh, there's an uphill too. No, I ain't making it. Well, I'm out of gas. On the shoulder of the road. Come on, dude, bump into me. Push me there. Push me there. Somebody push me there. Well, dang. Daggone. And I'm about to be stopped. I'm tired. Ugh. I'm stopped. Well, I got very close. Not close enough. I can't tell you how close I was. Well, did I get fuel? Well, dude didn't give me one. Dude gave me enough until I could get to a gas station. I really got so close. What? It was green. That wasn't cool. It was literally green. Let's pull in there. Try to get right here so I can pull back out. Alright. Well, I was so close to making it. Then I wasn't. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, now I need to find a bed. Somewhere I can sleep. Bruh! That just hit. I am not having good luck right now. Alright. Come on. Dang. Ugh. I can't believe I ran out of gas. I ran out of gas on top of a hill, and I started to go down the hill, and I was going about 60 down the hill. then it just didn't work. Ran out of speed. Alright. You can turn. What? You can't turn right on the red light. That's not cool, dude. Ain't that a rule? Why can't you do that? That is cool. Having to stop everywhere. I'm on red light. Alright. Get in here. I'm sleeping here. This ain't a good spot. I might have just got myself stuck through here. Snap, snap. Oh yeah, I forgot I had my flashers on. Don't mind me. Just cutting through traffic. Alright. Let's try to find somewhere else to sleep at. Ugh. I'm gonna have to come over here, then I'm gonna have to come back. Come over here. This better be a good stop to stop. To rest at. Okay, it looks like a good place. Come on. Alright, right here's the bed where I'm gonna be resting. So turn here. I'm gonna turn here. This is where I'm resting. This is where I'm gonna be resting. I guess so. Alright. Just leave it right here. Sorry, truck, if I'm blocking your way. I don't care. Alrighty. Alright, let's look at this truck. Oh, look at that. Are you ready? Ready? Ooh. Let's get in here. Let's get in first person and high beams. Let's get going. Well, you know what? Since this video is going to be about 20 minutes long, I'm going to call it a day right here. I'm going to get on the interstate and pull over. Just so I can be on track. But, that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you next. Peace.